Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're checking out this drone landing pad. So if you guys are like me, you get frustrated because sometimes you land and let's say the grass is too tall. Well, your blades get caught in the grass and then you can't retake off. This is a protective landing pad. Make sure you pull everything out of the box. Some stuff is stuck in there. This is a landing pad that will allow you to land and take off right away. So they give you a user manual, which is, you know, it's super simple, guys. In here are stakes for staking it into the ground. I know a lot of people actually have these permanently. They just leave them out. That's going to be up to you. So this is a large landing pad. So you can use small, medium, or large drones with this. And this is it. So, as you guys can see, the one side is orange. And then you have another side blue. So it depends on what you like, what color you want. But as you can see, guys, it's very large. So let's go ahead and show you guys and how it works.